Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Lookback for remote UX testing setup step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Lookback website. Once you're on the home page, locate the sign up or get started button. Click on the button to initiate the subscription process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Provide a valid email address and create a secure password. After filling in the required information, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Lookback. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Upon verification, you will be redirected to the Lookback dashboard. From the dashboard, explore the subscription plans available. Select the plan that best fits your remote UX testing needs. You may need to enter payment information to finalize the subscription. Fill in your credit card details and any required billing information. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to them. Once your payment is successful, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features and tools. Begin preparing your first remote UX test with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.